Hey guys, this is FixerMed. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to use the Disconnected Review Log Cleaner add-on for Anki. This add-on is designed to remove review history that is still stored in your Anki collection for cards that have already been deleted. Whenever you review a card in Anki, information about that review is stored in your collection's review log. If you later delete the card, some of that review history can remain in the database, especially when syncing up with AnkiWeb. The Disconnected Review Log Cleaner add-on searches for these orphaned review entries and gives you the option to permanently remove them. Before we begin, there is one important consideration if you are currently using FSRS. FSRS can use your previous review history when optimizing its parameters. Removing old review log entries may therefore affect the historical data available to FSRS. Because of this, I would not recommend using this add-on simply for routine cleanup unless you specifically want to remove the review history associated with deleted cards. With that being said, let's go ahead and get started. First, go ahead and open up the Anki page for the Disconnected Review Log Cleaner add-on. I'll include a link to this page in the description below. The add-on code is 106771610. Copy this code and then open the desktop version of Anki. Once you do so, from the main Anki window, select Tools, then Add-ons, and click Get Add-ons. Paste the add-on code into the text box and click OK. Anki will download and install the add-on. Once the installation is complete, click OK again and restart Anki. After Anki has restarted, open the Tools menu. You should now see a new option labeled Clean Up Deleted Card Reviews. Select this option and the add-on will scan your collection for review log entries that belong to cards that no longer exist. Once the scan is complete, the add-on will tell you how many disconnected review entries were found. If disconnected entries are detected, you will be given the option to remove them. Before confirming, make sure that you actually want to delete this information. The purpose of this add-on is to permanently remove these old review log entries from your collection. If you're ready to proceed, confirm the deletion. The add-on will then remove the disconnected review history from your Anki database. After making this change, Anki may require a full synchronization of your collection. This is expected because the add-on has modified information within the collection database. Make sure that you sync in the appropriate direction so that the updated collection on your computer is preserved. And that is essentially all there is to using the Disconnected Review Log Cleaner. This can be particularly useful if you have used the same Anki collection for several years, imported and later deleted large decks, or reviewed cards from a temporary or test deck that you no longer want included in your review history. Just remember that deleting review history can have implications for FSRS, so I recommend using the add-on when you have a specific reason for removing those entries, rather than simply using it as general maintenance. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please feel free to leave them in the comment section below. If you found this video helpful, be sure to leave a like and feel free to subscribe to the channel for more Anki tutorials and similar content in the future. That's all I have for you guys today. This is FixerMed signing off. Have a great day studying and good luck as always. Bye.